Hello, you are once welcome to Bismarck YouTube channel. We have a lot to give you here, so please stay tuned. And then if you want any song, if you want us to do any breakdown for you, any song, you can contact me and send a song to me so that I do it for you. Okay, so today we are just coming to show just a little trick in the praises bass line. Praises bass line. Okay, so I want to give you just little bass line. Please stay tuned and listen. Okay, so the song is Yehovah Yehiwaya Dinaya Kafu. That song. Okay. Yehovah Yehiwaya. The song it goes like this. Dinaya Kafu. I'm doing it in the praises form, so it will be like this. Yeah, oh, why, yeah, oh, Dina, yeah, Kafu, oh, it goes like this. Yehovah, La. So when you're moving to La, this is the breakdown I want to show you. So you can do like this. Yehovah, So it's like this. Yehovah,